You think me I hear that? Me not say the man them I hear that, but me guess I have a mindset for know say yo, you see people will not like you. People will see and just hate if you who you are. You see me? The man I wanna entertain it up. The man I enter Nicki Minaj, everybody see him, man. And give him man in roads, bro. Dog, you burn me a fuck, dog. Me not sleep no time last night. Me not sleep no time last night, dog. No time. Me just hold it, bro. And I think and I say, yo, me have to go beef up my security, you know. Me have to beef up my security now. Me not drop no catch with no pussy on road. Dog, I shouldn't even know, dog. Dog, me not sleep no time. I just stare out of space. And I say, dog, Box, know what you are doing on the street now. We don't know if the enemy them a watch. They really fuck up everybody head in the morning now. TikTok a just a drop from left to right, dog. Dog, me vex you. Yo, dog, to me feel vex, dog. And a man birthday today, bro. Dog, any man kill him and a fuck with that them go on with, dog. No joke. The man a make him a success. The man a go for, you know. The man book off for your sting. All of them things that the man book for your sting. And look where man end up. Take where man bomb buckler life on him, dog. Dog, me not that's what me tell you, dog. You see me? Me depend my key and my queue in a youth. You see me? Yo, let me tell you when me depend my key and my queue. You see me usually day in I walk? Let me tell you now look at things. So me usually day in I walk. Me usually just boss, you don't know when I told like vest and them things they will look neat. And one night say, yo, Box, put on the vest, put on your helmet. That you know. You see me? And I go to Obama and I just put on my vest in a dog. I will get a call and I will go up on the call in a dog. I told me get in my vest in a. In my vest in a dog, then they knock in my vest in a bro. I see from that. Me paranoid from them time then. Big woman thing I told me get in my vest from them time them not trust people, dog. Them time them in I walk, bro. When me I walk, me not drop. See from them time them me left for work. Cause come like it's a calling call for Box. You think I joke? Dog, me not drop catch no time. No time. Me not go live a road again like one time. Up in the ear, me usually go live and show the people them in the train and them thing they were running in Jamaica. Dog, me not tour guide, dog. Me tap that, bro, cause you don't know who I watch you. Your worst enemy them cannot watch you, you not even know. Because you don't know who back some of them page. You see me? You don't know who back some of them page. At least little knowledge what they have, then send man come on your foot. Put our money for your head and them bomb buckler thing there. Me feel if you bust that dog, and me feel if you know your Toyota. So yo dog, police them if you lock up your boy them and dash them away. Dog, me ain't not chatting youth. Bomber ass clout, dog. Them just take away everybody man know youth. The much of my friend them dead and gone already and my company up. And the whole way establish a ban. You understand? The whole way establish a ban in a youth. Every TikToker, you know. Dog. Last night, you know, dog. Me dead there, you know, daddy. And I chat to me old lady, you know, because my old lady, they are firing, you know. And I chat to her, you know, and I chat to her, you know. And she say, my son, you saw your internet a move, just be careful out there. That me I tell you, you know, that. Yo, John, I'm going to go to Obama and I say, Mommy, they say, a old man. You say, I'm ready to go click on my life. I say, one screen record. Say, yo, boss get shot on. I say, what is? Then I scroll again, then I say, alright, but come off a TikTok and go over Instagram. Bad news, youth. Dog, bad news, dog, me not drop catch. You don't notice none of the TikTok are woman them. None of the girl them that go live out of door, you know. And one of them me see, and one of them one in Diamond Legacy, you know. she need to tap go live out and you see out of life, out of door, cut out them thing the dog. Protect on yourself. People come on the live stream and I watch. And I say, yeah, I want to come take away and I feed them dog. I saw some people bad mind. You see me? They can take one and feed them. You see me? And more time we have some family member who don't know what them are do. They may reach at your foot just for that too. We have to have sense and knowledge or road code run. We are not fool. We are not idiot. We have to know what we are do. For you know say people that do things you not stay far from them dog. I tell you that straight. You have to stay far from them because you go get chopped. Then can't catch quack of them and go catch a shot. Sometimes we have to have a mind frame to stay away from people more time. Not care for your blood. You see me? You saw me roll. No for una watch me long time. Or now watch me content them. You never see me no money in my content them yet. You never dip on my life, so you never hear me and say, oh, me soon come, and me way to nobody in the background. Me alone live on me one buckler, yeah. Me alone, and you see, you look round. When you look round, be a police and soldier. Live where me live. CC camera like fuckery. Dog, you say if you know say yo, certain place where you live, just cut. If you know say you're not gonna cut it, cut dog. Just cut. Left your place, bro. If it not suit you and suit your needs, left. Cause it not gonna make sense. Some people not gonna like you because you are rise. Some people not gonna like you because of other people and this and that. And not everybody are gonna like you, dog. And not everybody are gonna like you. Don't feel like you're likable. What do you mean I'm going to a gas station? So me I buy some gas. I'm going there for run my card. As me reaching there, the girl say, I him that. I only on Boxtv. People see you. Some people glad to see you. Some people now go glad to see you. Some people say, oh, I the one Boxtv that, you know, the pussy they love these people on the internet. Or the boy they will have tell people go suck them, and people have to know say enough people not like you because the way you move. You're better off than them. It's once you're better off than people, only for people now gonna like you. You have to know that. Don't feel like everybody are gonna like you and not everybody are gonna like you. Now care how you see people are smile with you and not every smile a smile. Try to know that in your brain. How much time you get fight in a life? How much time you get fight in a life? You see fight in a life in front of you. Dog, it's right now, I not drop no catch with nobody. That's something thing there, dog. I tell you, nobody me not drop no catch with. Me not drop catch with people, no time, dog. Anything I want sometime, call the booby and let me then deal with it. I now make nobody ramp put me my cheap and say, Boxtv cheap and say, nah go so. You see me nah drop no catch. Even when me there in a public, me not dropping it right now. Anytime when you see me, I be armed security, I go there around me for no one. Me can tell you know that. Anywhere in a street when you see me, armed security, I go there around me. Me I tell you, I saw me feel even if you spend money for that bomb buckler out there. You see me, I nobody know, you know. But guess what, people don't like you because of your success. You see me, every big star, celebrity have them security around them. What, brother? You see once you make your name on TikTok, you have to have a security details about you. Anybody can run in and try to take your life because of what you do. And everybody are going to like you. Try have some security details around you. If you know so when you go on the road, your head back lock, your head back protected, man I watch. You see me, kind of everything you alone can see. You see me? You have to know what you are doing at them time of life. Yeah. Life fuck up. I worst December this in my life. I can't tell you this. I worst December this. People are not just blood clot TikTok people are dead off, you know. People are dead all about in Jamaica, you know. You not see the statistics show. And not just blood clot TikTok alone, people are dead all about. So we can't move like we are idiot in the street. For the festive season, I want the people and be more vigilant. Be more mindful. You understand? Be more mindful. We will not do out there. We will not conduct money business also. Be more mindful. Careful of people. Don't fear to look around and look. When you drive a vehicle, and you see a vehicle, a trailer along, turn off in a police station, and you call the police and make them know it's a particular vehicle, a trailer. Brother, you have to know now, though. You have to up. Brother, I worst December this me ever seen in my life. God see I know. I worst December this. Brother, I'm there from 85, me there on earth. Me older than enough for you. From 1985, me there, so you can know my age. And I worst December this me ever seen in my entire life, bro. Christmas supposed to be times with friends and family. I worst December this in Jamaica. Worst December. I can't believe. When me check a statistic out there, I see so much people dead. I say, bumbo clad. A joke thing this, dog. Joke thing. Dog, me have a chicken if you cut up and me not bother one, I have no food. I be a cornflakes, me and fan yam. Because the appetite not did there. If you do not, me just reflect on the 2G them. And there must about 3 more out there, 2 more TikToker. You see me, if I know one, anywhere me go, security did there. Me can't tell you no that. Anywhere me step, security have to do there with me. Make sure tell you no from now. Me not jack no catch. Some young again at 2025. You heard? You see me? People know me out there. And me have a name out there. Me have a blood clot and my security details. Yeah, so you have to do it. You have to have your security deal. Every star, if you can think of it, every star, every celebrity have security details. Once you make money, once you have a name, once you're popular, you see me, you have to know where your mother pussy live, batty boy. Or where your man block your teeth, go suck your mother. Take me and keep you over here. Pussy boy, you know where me live, know where your mother live. Oh, you hear that? Anyways. You have to have a security details when you are roll. You see me? Dog, I can't believe that the boy then kill the bus head dog. And today the man birthday. The man a go about him lawful business. The man a go about him lawful business, you know? About him lawful business, him a go. The app can't mash up. A people offer the app a target him and them on the app. I want to know that. And the app. Diplomatic style me have to roll right here now. Me have to change certain details of me. Anytime in the street, security have to do that. Anytime Boxtv in the street, I want to look around me, at least 2 armed security have to do that. So me I roll right here now. You see me? Me not roll, me not drop, not catch with nobody. My security details I'm have to up. A different type of role in me a roll right now. The amount of my police friend then call me and say, Box, don't drop no catch. You see me, mind the boy them rob you. Rabo. You know hear me say? My security detail I will change. You see me? I may just a show no how me roll. I not gonna make sure nobody up can bully me, you know. You see me? I'm telling you that my security details have to change. It's once you make money, once you have a name out there, social media influencer, artist, singer, dancer, everything, a lot of people know you, you can't just roll empty-handed, so. Don't roll empty-handed, so. You have to roll with some type of protection. You have to. Yeah, man, Joe Sky. You understand? Yeah, man, no joke. You know my car run already focus. You see me? All of my friends that work at SWAT, see tack on them place there. Be a top police. Come like you see what I go on, dog. Come like you see what I go on. I show you blood clot sitting dark. You know see who watch me so? You know see who watch me straight. Them man I make sure say me head lock. You see me? One phone call and I reach a foot. No delay. Me can't tell you that. Me not job catch with no pussy on road. None. None. You see me? Me make sure. Because you see right now, you see how me roll. You see me? You see how my persona on the app. I have to make sure say me have my head on my body. I hear that. Me no drop catch with nobody. No, you think say, yo, a girl can say, Box, meet me there. So meet your bumbo clock, meet where? Meet your way. Come like on a lick on the head, man. Me no road, so. All woman is set to know up to. And if you know a road code, you know. You see street of code, a long time me there road. 85 my born, me no just come a road. Long time me there road. Meet which part, which woman can tell me about Box, meet your bumbo clock. For what? For you make gunman come rob me, try kill me, and them thing there. I have to protect myself, and thanks to the people I tell me to protect myself. I appreciate that. Right now, my security level step up. When I usually there now, a boy shoot me 2 times in my vest. 2 times in my vest. In a 2014. 2 shots in my vest. That night, them in there have no vest. And one mind say, Box, put on your vest. Cause the car we get, you see me? And we just go some bam. Boom, boom, and put on my vest. And I lie me I tell me, can't show no. I'm going to put on my vest. You see me? A Boxtv that straight. Me that. You see me? Me that straight. Me not drop catch. From them time there, me did get them 3 bomb, them 2 shots in my vest. Me not drop catch with nobody. Nobody me not drop catch with. Yeah, me security details are go up right now. Cause me see what I go on. Me see the fuckery. People are targeting people because them say one little incident happen, them say alright then. The boy go like this so rare. Whole heap of people on a fake page for the app. Me not go on none of them chance there. And me can tell it, yo, you see me? Every minute me step, me look. Me paranoid right now, me extra paranoid. 2 of my friends then gone, half of there. Oh, you see me? Me see already, we have chattings. Dog and the dog she didn't even know me, yo, it hurt my heart. You can't name no food. Cornflakes, me have to blood clot name. And me start name me call me have to tap, give bumbo clot dog. Because to how you feel right now. You see me? To how you feel right now. You understand? Sometimes you have to pray. And pray to God. So if God protect you out there, because whole heap of people not like you. You understand? I'm showing you something. See my little Bible here. My little Bible this. See my little Bible here. See my little Bible here. You see me? I always read my Bible. Thank you so much for your gift. You see me? I always see it. Psalms 121. I will lift up my eyes to the hill, which comes my help. My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. He will not allow your foot to be moved. He who keeps you shall not slumber. Behold, he who keeps Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord is your keeper. The Lord is your right hand. The sun shall not strike you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord shall protect you from all evil. He shall preserve your soul. The Lord shall preserve your outgoing and coming in for this time forward and even forevermore. These are the words of God. Thanks be to God. I read my Bible regular. My Psalms up. Psalms 121. Get in on the brain. That me read and make sure say God have it in my life. Straight up. Yeah? Every time I wake up, I have to read my Bible and say, God, protect me. Protect me. You see me? You have to read. You have to know God too. You see me? You have to know God. Because if you don't know God, you're going to last your way. You're going to forget him and when you're back against the wall, at them time you're going to know God. That don't make no sense, brother. You see Psalms from me? Psalms 121. Write it down. A morning time when you get up and read it for protection and salvation. May the Lord preserve your soul. Yes, Psalms 121. read the Psalms there. When you wake up a morning, dog, you see, you're paranoid that catch me long before TikTok, you know. Long before TikTok, me paranoid, you know. You see me? You see, if I get the 2 shot them in my vest time, me not job catch again. From the time me get shot in my vest, I could have dead that night. You know why? Yes, Psalms 121, people. Write it down. Write it down and read it. Psalms 121. You lift up your eyes to the hills which comes. Your help. Your help come from the Lord who made heaven and earth, and he will not allow your foot to be moved. I hear that. The Lord shall preserve your soul. He shall preserve everything. Don't drop no catch with nobody in your life. Trust yourself. Even family member will get you out. Me ever read my Bible. Anoint myself with olive oil. Rub up my skin with olive oil. Put some oil in my head top and rub my head top with the olive oil. And say, God, protect me. Me no job catching. You see how I move. Long time someone don't know me. You never see nobody around me. Me not trust people. When I go on road, when I time usually go on road and turn on my life, tap me tap do that even before another incident. You know why? Because I know a whole heap of people we see up on the app and just don't like you because I have your character. My character is a police. Whole heap of bad people now go like that. But you real gangster that me know say yeah, that is just Boxtv. They make we laugh. You have in jail content them and so real life jail thing go. So the real gangster them know that. You see me, but I have so look what idiot. You see me? When I have no sense. We try hurt you for no apparent reason. You hear that? So people have to protect yourself in the earth. Don't give nobody the leverage for trying to hurt you no quick. Try believe in the Lord, bro. You have to pray and night on yourself look all the while and say, God protect me. Because the only protection. Me no need gathering and them sitting there. Me no need gathering. Now you have a gathering. But said about gathering and still God. Me no need, I just say, Lord, up there, sir, alone can protect you. Try, remember, say Boxtv, they tell you that. Brother, I pray a day, keep the devil away. You see me? So I know everything what I go on. If you don't know, if you don't go and go Google it, brother. You see me? So them things that I try to show you. You see, in the earth, the power of prayer, powerful. Whole heap of people out there now go like we. You see how the TikTok woman they move? You know, see none of them go live out of the way, you know. None of the TikTok woman them when you see, none of them no go road and go live. You never see TikTok woman them out of the way yet and ray yet. No, see them. If you move, they make you announce you no move. You never see actors, celebrities and them people.